The Jagaon major irrigation project being implemented by the Vidarbha Irrigation Development Corporation Nagpur in Nandura Taluka of Buldhana district is a landmark water resources initiative conceived under the Honorable Governor's Backlog Removal Program and supported by the Government of India through the Maharashtra Special Package called Bali Raja Jal Sanjeevani Yojana. Strategically planned to address chronic drought conditions, soil salinity, and recurring agrarian distress, the project aims to ensure assured and sustainable irrigation, fostering agricultural stability and long-term socio-economic transformation in the Vidarbha region. With a gross storage capacity of 736 million cubic meters, the project will bring 1,16,770 hectares of land under irrigation, significantly strengthening regional water security. It will also provide a reliable water supply for drinking and industrial use, benefiting a vast rural and urban population. In total, 287 villages across 8 talukas spanning Buldhana and Akola districts are set to benefit from the project. The project has received all requisite statutory clearances, including approvals from the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India and other competent authorities, enabling uninterrupted and lawful implementation. The project comprises a major earthen dam across the Purna River, a tributary of the Tapi River near Jagaon Takli village with an overall length of 8.6 kilometers. The dam is equipped with a spillway of 22 radial gates, ensuring safe regulation of flood discharges. To optimize water utilization during the first phase, dedicated water lifting arrangements have been planned through which stored water will be conveyed from the reservoir to lift irrigation schemes via feeder systems. Irrigation benefits will be delivered through a network of 15 lift irrigation schemes supported by an advanced SCADA-based automated pressurized pipe distribution system, ensuring efficient, equitable and reliable water conveyance with the active participation of water user associations. These lift irrigation schemes are further strengthened through the integration of solar-based energy systems, providing a sustainable and cost-effective power supply for pumping operations while reducing recurring operational expenditure. Additionally, a 132/33 kV electrical substation has been planned to ensure an assured and regular power supply. The project requires 17,088 hectares of land, including private, forest and government land. To address connectivity challenges arising from reservoir submergence, 6 major bridges have been realigned and reconstructed in accordance with established standards. The rehabilitation and resettlement program covers 58 affected villages, including 36 fully submerged and 22 partially submerged villages, and has been conceived as a model people-centric initiative. Relocated villages are being developed with planned layouts, integrated water supply, modern civic amenities and essential services, enabling affected families to transition into improved living conditions and a better quality of life. Significant archaeological remains have been discovered at Bhon village, which is proposed to be submerged in the first phase of the project. The site has been declared a state-protected monument with scientifically planned protective measures to be implemented prior to reservoir impoundment. Considering the scale of land acquisition and rehabilitation activities, the project is being implemented in 2 well-defined phases. Phase 1, targeted for completion by June 2027, envisages a storage capacity of 182 million cubic meters, rehabilitation of 24 villages and execution of 12 lift irrigation schemes. As of October 2025, the earthen dam has achieved 90% completion, partial water storage of 30 million cubic meters has been achieved, and lift irrigation scheme works have reached approximately 95% completion. The second phase of the project is scheduled for completion by June 2032, paving the way for the full irrigation potential and long-term socio-economic transformation of the region. The Jagaon project represents a sustained commitment to water security and agricultural stability. By restoring balance between water, land and livelihoods, it strengthens agriculture, uplifts rural communities, and lays the foundation for sustainable growth, emerging as a lasting investment in Vidarbha's resilience and India's future.